It's big, but I think it's a very good question because it's a phrase we at Shelter Cymru use all the time in lots of different settings. But to my mind, that's sort of the purpose of it. What housing emergency is it's our attempt to capture the depth, the breadth, and the urgency of all the different issues that people face in housing and homelessness right now. So I always describe it as, if you looked, if you were looking across a board of warning lights at the minute for the housing system, virtually every single one of them would be flashing red. Whether that is where rising private rents, availability of social housing, levels of homelessness, lots of flashing red lights. And we need to find words that capture that idea that we need to take action now in a whole range of different places. And we hope that housing emergency helps us do that. It helps us, just give everyone that sense of there are lots of problems. They are all urgent, and just drive the sense of that among people, and particularly among politicians. So that's why we use the phrase housing emergency, and we try to use it everywhere and anywhere we can, so that it really gets into people's heads, and that this is a shared understanding. What we don't want that to be is a Shelter Cymru phrase. It should be a phrase that is ubiquitous across the housing and homelessness sector in Wales.